Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 7th shloka of the Hayagriva Stotram and understand its meaning. First, let us learn it word by word. Dakshinya-ramya girishasya murtihi Devi sarojasana dharmapatni Vyasadayopi vyapadeshya vachaha Sphuranti sarve tava shaktileshaihi Dakshinya-ramya girishasya murtihi Dakshinya-ramya girishasya murtihi Devi sarojasana dharmapatni Devi sarojasana dharmapatni Vyasadayopi vyapadeshya vachaha Vyasadayopi vyapadeshya vachaha Sphuranti sarve tava shaktileshaihi Sphuranti sarve tava shaktileshaihi Dakshinya-ramya girishasya murtihi Devi sarojasana dharmapatni Vyasadayopi vyapadeshya vachaha Sphuranti sarve tava shaktileshaihi. Now let us understand the meaning of this verse. From here on till Shloka 31, Swami Vedanta Desikar continues to directly address Lord Hayagriva. Let us understand the meaning. Dakshinya-ramya girishasya murtihi. Girishasya murtihi means the form of Lord Shiva. Dakshinya-ramya, that is very pleasing to behold. Here, Swami Desikar is referring to the Dakshinamurti form of Lord Shiva with his pleasing appearance. Devi sarojasana dharmapatni. Dharmapatni, wife of Sarojasana, Brahma. Here, Swami Desikar is referring to Goddess Saraswati, the consort of Lord Brahma. Vyasadayopi vyapadeshya vachaha. Vyasa Muni and others famous for their Vak Shakti. Here, Swami Desika includes other sages like Parashara Muni, the author of Vishnu Purana, Maharishi Valmiki, the author of the Adi Kavya Ramayana, etc., with the use of the word Vyasadayaha, sage Vyasa and others. What does he say about them? Sphuranti sarve tava shaktileshaihi. Sphuranti means they shine brilliantly. How do they shine? As great repositories of learning and wisdom. What makes them shine like this? Tava shaktileshaha. By a mere fragment of your power and glory, all these shine. This must not be taken as a ninda of Saraswati Devi or Dakshinamurti or Vyasa or anyone else. This is a common device employed by poets in their writing, known as Atishayokti, or a form of poetic exaggeration. What we must take from this is Lord Hayagriva, as the Supreme Being, grants knowledge to all those who in turn teach others and help others learn. Thereby, let us worship Swami Hayagriva for the gift of knowledge. Shri Hayagriva Upasmahe.